If you have a problem making a lot of money, you will never have it. You will never have it. What is up mga chillionaryo? Pag-usapan po natin yung isang bagay na ako po'y talagay for a very long time ay nababother na po. Because, you know, I have this opportunity and should I say a privilege po na I can reach millions of people through our Facebook page. And I can see a common pattern po ng maraming Filipino with regards po sa pera. What I realize, number one, is pera po or money is a sensitive matter for many Filipinos, or I would say for many people. Na pag pera po ang pinag-uusapan, the discussion can become a very intense, no? Para po siyang religion or politics, right? You probably had those kind of experiences, yung nag-aaway-away po sila sa Facebook and all those things. And pagdating po sa pera, it can get into that level as well. Because we all have different perception about money. And what frustrating for me is this, because I've been helping a lot of people with regards to online business, because one of the reason that the people start a business because they want to make more money. And unfortunately, hindi ko po kayang tulungan ang tao if they feel that making this much money or X amount of money is an evil thing to do. Because if you've been following me for a long time, it's a little bit depressing kung titignan po ninyo that a lot of people see it this way, because there are media, there are religious organizations teaching us directly or indirectly that if you make this amount of money, if you become a millionaire, or if you make too much money, you will turn into this evil, greedy person. You see, sa negosyo po, you can potentially make a lot of money. Kaya po kung titingnan natin, the wealthiest people in the world are what? Entrepreneurs. Pero kung may problema po kasi sa pera, sa pagkita ng pera, that could be something na you may not be aware of. Now, when you hear someone's wealthy or successful, dalawa lang naman ang mangyayari. Either you get inspired and you take action, or maiinggit ka and you start, malamang ng kapwa yan, or malamang, you know, umapak yan ng mga mahihirap, o malamang ng loko yan, or malamang galing sa masama. You know, these kind of things that we often hear, either from different people, from media, from other people that we even respect. And again, babalik po tayo doon sa pinaka-core ng message ko today, and that is, if you have a problem making a lot of money, you will never have it. You will never have it. Kung ang lagi pong nasa bibig mo ay, okay lang yun, John, yung basta 3 beses kaming kumakain, okay na yun. Hindi ba okay kung mas okay kung may sobra ka? Right? Or marinig natin yung, okay na po yan, Sir John, ang di bali lang mahirap kami basta masaya. Hindi ba po pwedeng mayaman ka na, masaya ka pa? Okay na yung Sir John na I don't make too much. Hindi ko naman madadala sa langit ang kayamanan. Yeah, pero pwede kang mag-iwan ng kayamanan sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Hindi mo rin naman madadala ang kahirapan sa kabilang buhay. The reason I'm sharing guys this one thing is just ask yourself. I'm not sure who you are and what you do for a living. I don't know how much money that you have in your bank account, but it is something that you really have to sit down and ask yourself, how do I see money? If I hear someone na naging successful yumaman, what kind of emotions I am feeling? Am I more on getting excited and know how do they do it? Or are you more of like, talaga tong mga mayayaman na to nang aapi ng mahihirap? Right? And I always keep you guys telling this. If you've been following me for a long time, you always hear that, because generally speaking, lalo po sa media or telenovela, if you watch a lot of movies and TV shows, they always portray that the rich and the powerful are the one who are take advantage of the poor and the weak. So because of that, nagkaroon po tayo ng impressions na the only way for us to get rich is by taking advantage of people. So again, this is something that you want to look into, and I hope that this short video can help you see things better. Have a good day. Bye.